In today's world, every click counts. But do you know how to make yours matter? Businesses are online. Creators are online. Everyone is trying to stand out, yet so many struggle to be seen. Why? Because they don't understand the fundamentals. That's where Varsity Academy's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing comes in. Learn how to build a brand, attract the right audience, and grow your presence using real-world digital marketing strategies. From social media and SEO to content creation and analytics, you'll gain practical skills that work in today's digital economy. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or professional, this course gives you the tools to turn ideas into impact. The digital world is moving fast. Don't get left behind. Join the next generation of digital leaders. Enroll now in Fundamentals of Digital Marketing at Varsity Academy. Your digital journey starts here.